Nanood ka? Yes. Nanood ka na? Ay, ako manunod pala. Ito, last mo show. Bim. Say hi, Chichi. Come here and please say hello. Oh. Yeah, say hi to her. Hi na. Super. Kamusta ka? Gorgeous. I know, yeah. But at least, yeah. Kuya, come here. Say hi to Tita Jinky. Hi, Josh. Say hi. None of the giants come. Oh, you're so slim. Nice. You win. Princess. It's cool. Hi. Very happy. I know. Hi. Boxing? Yeah, ganun. Nice. Next month. Queenie. Say hi, Queen. Hi. Baka more. Kasi diba normally minsan na-exceed pa yung tatay. Diba? Yeah. No, because I've seen that. Diba si LeBron James yung anak? Sobrang nag-excel now. First age bracket. So, diba, with the genetics that you have and everything, the training, and lahat ng, and if it's your dad who's gonna train you, I'm sure you're going, and you'll make your mom the proudest, di ba? Hindi, no, kasi di ba, yung galing ni Manny, pero yung tutok mo, oh, how can anyone beat that? Was it a good movie?
Yes.
Will we enjoy it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I watched another movie kasi, so I met up with them lang, kasi yung Cinemala yung pinanood ko. So that's why. So it's great seeing all of you. At yung bonding ninyo.
Oo.
Bakit kayo?
Mag-Jensen ako ngayong Friday.
Hindi kasi ano na to eh. This is the week 3 of the movie.
Hindi na ba yun?
Yeah! Week 3 na to. Bakit kayo na late? Ngayon lang kayo
Kasi may
nakanood.
school. Galing ako sa school.
So, pero ngayon lang. But you look great. And ano, I'll be rooting for you. Awesome.
Sige, dito na kami.
Huwag mo sirain ng mukha, sayang yung kagutuhan na.
Magpapapicture ni
Oo.
Nate.
Okay. Nate is kasi the president of the Aldenatics.
Ah,
Oo, lahat daw, pa-picture daw siya with us. Okay,
Okay.
Smile everyone. Everyone, ano na kayo? Bim!
Go,
Bim! Kuya, come
Hindi
here.
na nagpa-picture pa si Dave. Go, boys.
Nate, so you can show Alden. So that Alden will so tuwa. They watch. Okay, bye! You all look great. Ingat kayo!